Good morning, students. Today we are going for the election. I think all of you know that election. In India, there is two type of election. You know that India is a democratic country. The people have the right to give their vote. What do you know about election? Election means the people they give their vote their representative for running government. Actually, kinds of election in India. Direct election. Direct election means the election of the MLAs or MP for the Lok Sabha, MLA for the state legislative, where the election of chief minister. When the election of MP, there is the election of prime minister. So, the election of prime minister is known as the direct election. Indirect election, yes, Raj Sabha election, that is known as indirect election, where the Raj Sabha members they are given the vote to the president, and the election of president is known as indirect election. For differentiate people's vote in direct election, here representative they given their vote for president in indirect election. Direct election, like there is a large body of peoples or electorate, but in indirect election there is only a very small body. Adult persons are given the vote in direct election. Every elected representative hold the right to vote in direct election. For example, Lok Sabha election is direct election, and here president or vice president election is indirect election. Types of election in India. First is the general election. When the Lok Sabha or running government complete their 5 years after the election is held, that is general election. Mid election, when the Lok Sabha is dissolved, it did not complete their 5 years, that is mid-term election. By election, when any member or the member of the legislative assembly their death or given the resignation, that is after their vacancy is there and after the election is held, that is known as by election. Yes, election commission. Basically in India, the power in the hand of the election is in election commission. Now you have to be seen, this is the ballot box where the peoples are given their vote, and now the term and office and condition of the service of election commissioner. Firstly, election commissioner or the chief election commissioner, they are appointed for the 6th year. Their salary of the chief election commissioner and other such commissioners shall be equal to the salary of Supreme Court judge. Power and function of election commission. First, preparation of electoral rolls and photo identity card, that is known as the voter ID card. Like an electoral rolls is a voter list containing the name, father name, age, sex of the voter, and these are checked by the election commission. Registration and recognition of the political parties, allotment of symbols is given by the election commission. Fixing date conducting the election in a state, it is also done by the election commission. Now, ensuring free and fair election is also done by the election commission. And appointment of polling officers in state where the election is going on, that is also in the hand of the election commission. So basically you have to be seen, these are the powers of the election commission: allotment of symbols, second fixing the date and conducting election, appointment of the polling officer, scrutiny of nominated paper, scrutiny of election expenses, advisory function, preparation of electoral rules, registration and recognition of political parties. Scrutiny of nomination paper. Yes, that is the important point. The commission announced the date of the election and the date of filling nomination paper and the last date of withdrawal for nomination. Advisory function in the hand of the election commission. He also advised the president or the governor of the state in respect of electoral matter, disqualification of member, election dispute and petition. That is the much which is in your course.